Here at the principal's office, which is like the nucleus of the cell, just like how the nucleus controls whatever the cell does, the principal executes every order to maintain the school. The nucleus is also in the eukaryotic cell, both plant and animal. This is Mr. Muntz, and he is just like the nucleolus, which is this like center of the cell that makes ribosomes, just how like he hires teachers. And the nucleolus is in eukaryotic cells, which is both plant and animal cells.
The front office is much like the Golgi body, which is a eukaryotic, which means it's both plant and animal cells. The front office controls what comes in and out of the school and keeps us safe. Much like the Golgi body, modifies proteins which come from the ER and to be sent out throughout the rest of the cell to make sure the cells function.
The hallway is just like the SER and RER because the hallway transports students to their classrooms just like how the RER and SER transports proteins, lipids, steroids to the Golgi body. The SER and RER are in eukaryotic cells, both plant and animal.
So storage rooms are much like vacuoles because storage rooms store things that are needed all throughout a school. And then vacuoles store nutrients and waste products that are needed throughout a cell. Plant cells have central vacuoles, which are large, and then animal cells have small vacuoles that still store things. It's eukaryotic because it's in both plant and animals.
A trash can is much like a lysosome, where it acts almost like a digestive system. It stores and breaks down unneeded waste and discards of unneeded stored waste. Lysosomes are in eukaryotic cells, such as plants and animals.
The cafeteria is much like the chloroplast of a cell, because the cafeteria is where the students go to get food and get energy. Much like the chloroplast produces food for the cell and gives the cell energy to do function. Chloroplasts are found in plant cells and they are eukaryotic. The electricity room is much like the mitochondria because the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and it gives energy throughout the cell to perform all the cell's functions. Much like the electricity room produces energy for our lights and all the other stuff that we do at Madison Central. Mitochondria are found in both plant and animals.
Plasma membranes are much like brick walls. They protect what comes inside and outside of cells. They are in eukaryotic and prokaryotic, and they are in all kinds of cells, plant, animal, and unicellular. The cytoskeleton is in eukaryotic cells, plant, and animal. It's used for the structure and support and also to help the mobility throughout the cell. Microtubules are large and hollow, and they help with support and movement. Microfilaments, much like a screw in the school, is the smallest part of the cytoskeleton, and it allows for pulling. Intermediate filaments are the medium sized, and they're used to reinforce the microtubule. Is like a teacher. It's eukaryotic and animal cells. It helps with cell division during mitosis and anaphase.